In the tapestry of love, seduction is the vibrant thread that weaves passion and excitement into our relationships. It's the art of igniting desire, the spark that transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. Seduction is not just about physical attraction, it's about creating a magnetic pull that draws your partner closer, both emotionally and physically. Think of it as a dance, a playful exchange of energy that keeps the relationship energized and alive. Just like a dance floor comes alive with rhythm and movement, so too does a relationship thrive on the playful pursuit of desire. It's about creating anticipation, sending subtle signals, and fanning the flames of attraction. Seduction is the antidote to monotony, the secret ingredient that keeps the relationship exciting and fresh. It's about reminding your partner why they fell in love with you in the first place and showing them that the spark is still very much alive. By nurturing this aspect of your relationship, you create a space where love can flourish and deepen over time. While physical attraction is undoubtedly a part of seduction, true intimacy begins with a deep emotional connection. It's about feeling seen, understood, and cherished for who you truly are. When you create a space where your partner feels safe to be vulnerable, you lay the foundation for a love that runs deeper than the surface. Think of it like building a house. The physical structure is important, but it's the foundation that provides strength and stability. Similarly, emotional intimacy is the bedrock upon which a strong and lasting relationship is built. Start by nurturing open and honest communication. Share your thoughts, dreams, and fears with each other. Listen attentively when your partner shares theirs. This creates a sense of trust and closeness that is essential for deep intimacy. Remember, seduction is not about manipulation or playing games. It's about authenticity, vulnerability, and a genuine desire to connect with your partner on a deeper level. In the realm of love, communication is the bridge that connects two hearts. It's about expressing your desires, understanding your partner's needs, and finding a rhythm that works for both of you. Just as a beautiful melody requires harmony and synchronicity, so too does a fulfilling relationship rely on clear and open communication. Don't be afraid to express your desires and fantasies. Tell your partner what excites you, what makes you feel loved and desired. But remember, communication is a two-way street. It's equally important to listen attentively to your partner's needs and desires. Ask questions, pay attention to their verbal and nonverbal cues, and be open to trying new things. The more you understand each other's love languages, the better equipped you are to create a fulfilling and passionate relationship. Romance thrives in an atmosphere of intimacy and connection. It's about creating moments that make your partner feel special, cherished, and desired. This doesn't have to involve grand gestures or expensive gifts. Often, the most romantic moments are the simplest and most heartfelt. Think about what makes your partner feel loved and appreciated. It could be a handwritten note left on their pillow, a relaxing bath drawn after a long day, or a quiet evening spent cuddling on the couch. The key is to be present, attentive, and intentional in your actions. Remember, romance is not about ticking boxes or following a script. It's about creating an atmosphere where love and desire can flourish. Be creative, have fun, and don't be afraid to experiment and find what works for both of you.